responsibility. The milkman, the paper boy, evening TV. Did I get delivered here? Somebody tell me, please. This whole world confusing me. Clouds as lean as you ever seen. Ain't a bird who knows you're true. Then a little voice inside you whispers, don't sell your dreams so soon. Everywhere you look, there's a heart, a hand to hold on to. Everywhere you look, there's a face of somebody who needs you. Everywhere you look, when you're lost out there and you're all alone, life is waiting to carry you home. Everywhere you look, everywhere you look.
What's up, Chatham High School? I'm Porter Vogt.
And I'm Ryan Hallerman, and welcome to episode 3 of The Pulse.
We sure did cook up a valorous episode, the present day, like the Thanksgiving turkey.
Why are you talking like that?
My bad, ever since I saw Macbeth, I've been feeling very Shakespearean.
Oh, gotcha. I went the other night, and the cast sure did a great job.
Aye, 'twas truly a most wondrous production. Roll that clip.
Hi, I'm Charlie Baird Hassel, and I'm playing Macduff.
Hi, I'm Matt Engel, I'm playing Malcolm.
Hi, I'm Evie, and I'm playing Witch 1.
Hi, I'm Jonas, and I'm playing Witch 2.
Hi, I'm Lucy, and I'm playing Witch 3.
Hey, my name is Andrew Krautheim, and I'm playing Macbeth.
Hi, I'm Julie Wilcox. I'm playing Lady Macbeth, and today we're going to find out which Macbeth characters we are.
Yay!
Yay.
Alright,
Okay.
first one, which one describes you the best? Vengeful, man/woman of integrity, kind-hearted, popular, or devilish?
You're definitely devilish.
Nah, I'm feeling a little revengeful today.
I think I'm revengeful.
I would say integrity.
Anything
Makes
but
it more
popular.
fun.
I think I'm
I think I'm more kind
a man/woman of integrity.
I'm gonna say a man or woman of integrity.
Okay.
I think I'm
Personal.
kind. I think I have integrity, but I think I'm mostly kind-hearted. Okay. Do you have ... flashbacks of bad memories,
Do I have successful kin?
feelings of revenge,
The most power.
sinful thoughts?
I'm picking most powerful.
I always want to put mustard on Pop-Tarts, so I'm gonna put sinful
Okay.
thoughts.
I'm gonna go with flashbacks of bad memories.
The bad
I'm gonna go
memories.
with feelings of revenge.
I think I'm
or
gonna go
sinful thoughts.
I think I'm going sinful thoughts. Sometimes I have flashbacks of like embarrassing things I did. Does that count?
Bad.
I
Okay,
think
cool.
feelings of revenge.
All right, pick one. I'm quite oblivious. I'm more brave than most people. I need to be the most important person. I easily provoke others without the intention to, and I am really loyal to the ones close to me.
I'm gonna say I need to be the
That's
most
true.
important person.
Okay, fine. I'll do oblivious, but I also need to be the most important person.
No, I think I'm the most loyal because I've like.
Yeah, you are
pretty
pretty loyal. You're
Yeah.
like really loyal.
I'm gonna pick the attention one.
Yeah, you should pick the attention.
Between success, honor, loyalty, power, and wealth.
Just in general.
I want wealth.
I'm gonna
I
go
want
with
success.
I'm gonna-
I
expensive.
want power so I can charge things.
Honor.
Honor.
Honor. Big honor, guys. We got
Big
the
honor,
Boy
guys.
Scouts here.
You could drag my name through the mud as long as I'm successful.
I think I want honor.
Okay.
Where would you rather be? England, Scotland, Dunsinane, Cawdor, or Burnham Woods?
I was gonna say.
I guess I'd rather be in England personally because
Listen.
Scottish people scare me.
I'm gonna go Scotland. Big Scotland guy.
Like stand in the
England.
rain
I've been
for a
there
couple
so
hours.
much. This
I
is
think
my
I'll go with
moment.
Cawdor.
I'm gonna go England.
Scotland!
Say this?
Pick a person. Donalbain. Malcolm. The Witches. Fleance. Lennox.
Just in general, based on merit?
I guess out of obligation, I'll pick the three
The
witches.
witches. Yeah.
That's what I did. 3 people.
I pick Matt Bene then.
I'm gonna go Witches. They're pretty cool.
I'll
They're
go
magic,
Fleance.
and they look like rocks.
I'll go Fleance. He seems like he has big things waiting for him.
I guess I kind of vibe with Lennox, Loki. I think
I
that's
like
funny.
Fleance because Flea is in his name.
Who would I kill?
Macbeth. If I have to look at Andrew's stupid face for one more rehearsal, I'm gonna flip.
exactly. Yeah.
Oh, Banquo. Oh,
Result.
Oh, hey.
I'm scared. I got Macbeth.
I'm also Macbeth.
I'm Macduff. I kill you both.
Macduff.
Banquo.
Let's see.
I got Lady Macbeth.
I got bank loans.
I actually got Lady Macbeth.
Eureka, that sure was a good segment.
Eureka? Really?
I don't know, man.
Hey Ryan, what do Mr. Clark, Evan Peters, Anthony Hopkins, and Zac Efron all have in common?
That's easy. They all played serial killers on screen. What is this, a game of connections?
Well, rumor has it, people were playing Connections in the halls last week.
Really?
Take a look.
Alright, go ahead. Yeah.
So, wait, what do I have to do?
Things that start with the word cougar. So Cougar Weekend, Cougar Nation, Cougar Congrats, and Cougar Field.
Yes, that is another one. Good job. Cougar Nation. Okay. Cougar Congrats, Cougar Weekend, Cougar Nation, and then Cougar Fields. Yes, that's another one. Cougar Field, Cougar Nation, Cougar Weekend. Good job, guys. Congrats. Alright, that took away too much.
That was great.
Field, Whiteout Nation, no.
Dude,
You're one off.
Yeah, okay. Okay, Weekend. I got it.
Yeah.
Weekend, Beach, USA, and Field. None of them are humans.
Weekend. Beach. Oh, I got one. Yeah.
Beach jerseys and say whiteout.
Yes, you guys got it. That's one.
USA, whiteout, jerseys, and
Beach.
beach. Those are all Cougar Nation.
Whiteout. USA. Jerseys. And beach. Yes. Okay. Yes.
You gotta pick it up. Come on, you gotta pick it up. Let's go.
So I got science teachers. Mrs. Bongley, Mr. Kai, Mrs. Long, and Mr. Skins.
Yes. Gibbs, Miss Long's, I, and DeSantis for like science. You're one wrong. I'll say Skips, Mr. DeSantis, Mrs. Long, and Mrs. Bongley. No? One off. One off.
Bongley, Kai, Long, Smith.
Yes, science teacher.
We get a hint.
No, dude.
I normally search out my connections. 9th grade. That's 10. 9th grade, so 1, 2, 3.
Yikes.
1 away?
No.
2 away? So I guess our overall question would be, what department would Mr. Skibitsky, if you know him or her? Or no, him. Sorry.
Okay, Mr. Skippy and Mr. Green, Mrs. Ruffner, and the beach.
Or what category?
English.
Probably. No, they're thinking coaches, but they're not all coaches. It's Kai, DeSantis, and Avery. And that means Mr. Avery, Mrs. Ruffner, Mrs. Gagliardi, and Mr. DeSantis. Yes, Bell Award winners. And there's
I
one
would
more.
not have known that.
Oh, she teaches bio. Bio is like the definition of science, so do that. Then
Mr. D teaches physics.
No, but then else what?
oh wait, maybe they teach sports. Or no, they don't.
No, they don't.
Yes, they're all Bell Award winners. Yes!
That was pretty great.
You know what else was great?
Me?
No, watching the girls' soccer team take home the Group 3 state championship.
Yeah, man, they cooked.
I think we took that pretty literally.
What do you mean, Ryan?
Let's find out.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Mug Cake Contest. When one person can't see, can't hear, or can't talk. And we're here with the girls' soccer team state champs.
Computer. Say some more. How much? Flash.
Okay.
Hey, I'm McKenna Hogan.
Hi, I'm Liz.
I'm Abby Droner.
And what are the polls?
I'm Claire Carty.
I'm Porter.
And I'm Addison.
Are we ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, right. McKenna, you
guys will mix 1 quart of flour.
Who's McKenna? Are you mixing right now? I don't even know what to do.
Is it working? Is it coming out? Then, please tell me. Oh snap! Did I get some?
Oh my god!
This is a lid. Alright. Did I get him out?
Oh wait, no!
Should I level it?
No.
Wait, what are we doing next?
No?
Put some more.
Oh,
I put it to the side. Here, give me.
Wait.
Give me a hit.
And just shake it in.
Shake it.
Just a little bit. Just a little bit.
Like how much?
That's good. That's good.
How much?
That's
A
good.
lot or a little?
A little.
Salt.
Did it go in?
A little. No. A little
No?
more. No.
Where's the salt? It's so disgusting.
Did it go in?
It's so bad. We mix it first.
What's next?
Yes, we
Next.
should mix it first.
What?
Next.
A little.
Do you guys think we mixed it enough?
Oh my, there's no lid. There's no
It's
lid.
oil. I'll tell you what, just a lot.
Good. You're good.
I'm good. Okay.
You're good.
Stop!
Let's pop it in the mic. Are we? Wait.
Are we done?
Let me see yours. Ah.
Cook in
Oh,
microwave.
this is like slushy. It's like I can just hear it sloshing. Mix it.
You guys putting it in the
Mix
microwave?
it,
Water.
Mix it.
You guys still over here?
Hello?
Oh, it's over here.
Where are you
You need
guys?
more water.
Tried to like find my way over. Okay.
I'll be taste testing these cakes that the Pulse made and the soccer team made. So first for the Pulse. It looks fully cooked.
Nice.
It's like interesting. This looks like a cake.
Tastes like a cake?
Does it taste good?
Oh no.
What is it?
Oh.
Wait, yeah.
I think your pie is
It's kind of good.
Oh yeah, I think your pie's already.
It tastes more like a cake than the other one, but it's a little bit more dry.
Okay.
Honestly, I think the soccer
not
team
bad.
did better.
What?
Yep.
I think the Pulse needs to stick to TV.
Oh,
We're used to winning,
Also.
so you know.
It's like really good though.
Can't believe the soccer team just won states and our baking competition.
You know what else happened this week?
Obviously, our own YouTube channel hit 1 million views.
So basically, we're famous.
All right, let's see what else CHS had to say about lesser celebrities.
It's time for Question of the Week, Celebrity Edition.
Hey everyone, welcome to this week's Question of the Week. Today we're asking everyone a bunch of celebrity questions. Who's your celebrity crush? Who's your celebrity lookalike? What celebrities you don't like? Let's find out what people have to say.
All right, Tamir. Who is your celebrity crush?
Margot Robbie.
It's a very good answer. Okay, Specs. Who is your celebrity lookalike?
Ice Spice.
Ice Spice. Is it the hair? Thank you.
Who is your celebrity crush?
Michael B. Jordan.
Good answer.
Hunter, who is a celebrity you hate?
Probably Daniel Jones.
Why?
He's throwing away our future.
Who's your celebrity crush?
Probably the Grinch.
How come?
You know, he got some nice fur. Can keep you warm.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Try to catch you lounging. What's your name?
Max.
Max? That's a good name. Who's your celebrity crush?
Taylor Swift.
Who is your celebrity crush? My celebrity crush was Ariana Grande. Ariana Grande is my favorite singer. I still listen to her all the time.
Who's your celebrity crush?
Margot Robbie.
That's a great answer. Have you seen the Barbie movie?
Yeah.
Did you like it?
Yeah, it was good.
What was your favorite part?
I don't know.
Margot Robbie?
Sure.
Oh, here we have our fellow Pulse star, Maeve Woman. Who's your celebrity crush? Ross Lynch, all the way.
Who is your celebrity crush?
Zac Efron. Really?
Go Wildcats.
What team? Wildcats! What team? Wildcats! What team? Wildcats!
Who is your celebrity crush?
Jennifer Aniston.
Jennifer Aniston? Why?
I don't know, because I watch Friends.
Manita, who is your celebrity crush?
Halle Berry, bro.
Who is your celebrity crush?
Bruh,
Spencer Jennings.
Who's that?
Just a TikToker.
Who is your celebrity crush?
Trevor Seagrass.
I don't know who that is. Ava?
Liam Hemsworth.
Dylan O'Brien. Cole. Jack Hughes.
Nathan Scott? Who's that? That's a very good show.
I can't believe no one said I was their celebrity crush.
Maybe the fact that Thanksgiving is right around the corner will cheer you up.
You're right, Ryan. Anyways, thank you for tuning in to our episode, and tune in next week to episode 4 to see which CHS teachers are up to date on their pop culture. Happy Thanksgiving, CHS!